So we're standing here in A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos. We have Naeem, one of the service advisors, behind the camera. We've got Justin here in Douglas. Our pickup and delivery service, we've really pumped that up. So anytime you want your car serviced, we just come to your house, you leave us the key somewhere, we do the service, and then the next day, when the car is complete, we bring back the car and get it all sanitized for you. That's one thing. We have this after hours drop-off box outside, so a lot of clients are using that, so we really don't have to be close or face-to-face. And then of course everything's gone electronic, from our digital vehicle inspection report that we send out. We got pictures of the vehicles, trouble, concerns, areas in that nature. And then of course payment, it's all electronic, and when we're done, we send you a PDF of the final invoice.